Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Wi-Fi password and secure your internet connection by using your phone. So for that, at first just go to any browser. I'm using Google and search for 192.168.0.1. Now just go to the very first website and click on login. Again click on login here. Now here you can see there is a username and there is a password. If you have not given any username and password yet, you need to just type username admin and your password admin. Now after clicking login, you will see something like this page. Now click here in the wireless option and click on wireless security, and after clicking just go here. Now you can just change your password in the wireless password option because it is your Wi-Fi password. Now just change it. Now after changing it, just scroll here and here you can see save option. Just click on save. Now here you can see my Wi-Fi is now disconnected. Now you need to just go back to your Wi-Fi. Now just click the arrow icon beside your Wi-Fi, and in the bottom here you can see forget network. Click on it. Click on OK. Now again log in with your Wi-Fi and give the new password. Now here you can see my Wi-Fi password has successfully changed. So guys, that's how you can change your Wi-Fi password. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.